Welcome back to my channel, everybody.
What do you have in here?
I have ryansworld molecules. We're unboxing this
Okay.
and see what's inside.
Alright, let's see. Whoa! This looks like fun. So you have already started doing this. Yes.
Stick it up.
Okay, so what can we make here?
We can make.
Look at all the stuff that you can
We
make.
can make it. Maybe a house.
Yes, look. Look. You can make a dinosaur face.
Yeah, I made
It
it.
shows step by step how to make it. The egg.
I did it.
Alright, so what are you gonna make for us today? Which one? But you make the egg, it's easy.
No,
This one, because you have these two, so you don't want to touch this because you mix them. So just use this.
I want to make eyes.
Okay. There you go.
We
It's
don't
easy.
have white, so I'm rolling up this molecule bars and trying to make a circle so I can smash it with this spoon.
Show it to them. Like show it to them. No, this. It has to fit in that square. There you go. Fit now.
I'm making the eyes, and first I'm making the ball. There. Easy. Now let's the hammer. Pretend I'm eating it. I ate some soup. Now it's gonna smash it.
Careful, you don't knock the camera. Careful.
I think it's enough. Okay, now I need yellow. Smash it. There you go. Put it on top.
Good. Just don't hit the table too much.
Now I made Iron Man.
No, stay on that. Don't eat.
I made Iron Man. I made Iron Man.
Keep talking to them.
And now, the little balls is going to be here. And it's a mouth. And I made Iron Man. Now let's make a big rolling snake. Let's make a snake. Let's make it a snake. Oh, make a snake. It's here's the snake that I made. Snakey. That's the snake, and here's the head. I'm making an Iron Man, but I'm not making a real Iron Man because these are squissies and the hot squishy. So I made the dinosaur and the box of it. It just looks like you put a face in it. And look, it gets orangey. I'm gonna show you the whole piece of it that I got. And my mom's gonna be mad, so I'm gonna take it inside. And a white piece here. I don't know where I'm from, so I'm gonna use it though. That's gonna be a mess. It's hard. It's spreading everywhere. It's like popcorn. And I got some bunny. Bunny, you can see it. So you cover it from her. You can't see the bunny forever. Ever. These are Legos actually, so we can put stuff in our Legos. What is going on? Sway. Try to put it. Here it is. And I'm trying to put it. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Now I'm going to put it with white so I can have sprinkles on them. And there you go. There's Iron Man. Now let's try Pokemon. He's my favorite. He pokes everything. Poke. Poke. Poke at the side. Well. Ah, look at this. Look at this. It's a snake sock. Ah! Look at his face.
Oh, show it to them. I can see it.
Cuesta. I need that. Need this. Whole place to be. And we have Horsey. He's always doing the same thing as Horsey. Squash. The Costa. And I'm trying to get. It's not a good idea, so we're gonna put this back. And mega finish sticky on it. So now let's get the whole big piece. Now we're gonna make flash. Wake it up. Oh. I'm gonna make a dragon, so I made dragon's head. Now I'm gonna make a squishy guy. I'm gonna use this. Eyes, mouth, his beak. He has a beak. I think he's ready. And now I broke it. I made.
Nice. Turn it the other side. Looks like a doggy.
No, it's a dragon.
Oh yeah.
It's a dragon. And the last person is. The last person is. Ah, it's falling apart. Woke it already. Go with it. course I don't want it. So here is a piece of that. Now I'm gonna destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it. Destroy it. Thank you for watching. Give a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye. Messy, 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 messy.
Now we need to find a container to put it inside.
Container.